In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix a synchronization error in Google Drive. If your files aren't syncing properly between your computer and the cloud, or you see a warning icon on the Google Drive for Desktop app, don't worry, we'll go step by step through what to check, why it matters, and how to get everything syncing again smoothly. First, make sure you have Google Drive for Desktop open on your computer. This is the app that runs in the background and keeps your local files and your Google Drive storage in sync. If it's not already running, open it from your applications or programs list. You don't need to change any settings yet, just make sure it's launched and active. Next, we're going to check the current sync status. On Windows, look for the Google Drive icon in the system tray at the bottom right of your screen near the clock. On macOS, you'll find it in the menu bar at the top right. Click that Google Drive icon once. This opens a small panel that shows which files are syncing, which are up to date, and whether there are any errors. In that panel, look for an option like Settings or a small gear icon. Click it, and then look for something called Error List or a similar label that indicates problems or issues. This is where Google Drive for Desktop will show you any files that are failing to sync. If you don't see an error list or it's empty, that usually means there are no current sync problems and you're in good shape. If there is an error list, find the specific file or files that are showing an issue. Google Drive often flags files that have names it doesn't support, or files that are too large. Let's start with the file name. Some characters can cause problems depending on your system and how Google Drive handles them. Symbols like certain slashes or control characters may not be allowed. To fix this, locate the file on your computer in the folder that's synced with Google Drive. Right-click on the file and choose Rename, or click once on the name and edit it. Give it a simple, clear name using letters, numbers, spaces, dashes, or underscores. Avoid unusual symbols that might confuse the sync process. After renaming, give Google Drive a moment to detect the change. Next, confirm that the file size is within Google Drive's limits. Extremely large files may not sync. You can check the file size by right-clicking it and opening its properties or information window. If the file is too large for Drive's current limits or your remaining storage space, you may need to compress it, split it, or remove unnecessary data before it will sync successfully. Once you've renamed any problematic files and confirmed the sizes are within limits, return to the Google Drive for Desktop panel. If syncing paused because of the error, look for an option to resume or restart syncing. Click that to start the process again. You should see the file status update and the error should clear after a short time. That's all you need to do to fix a synchronization error in Google Drive. Open the desktop app, check the system tray status, review the error list, correct any file name or size issues, and then restart syncing so